In this video, we will look at asphaltic concrete as a surfacing in general. Asphaltic concrete is also known as AC asphalt or hot mix. It has the aggregate and binder heated and mixed together at the batching plant as shown in the photo to the left. This results in each aggregate particle having a coating of binding around it. The asphaltic concrete is transported to site in covered trucks. At the site, the asphaltic concrete is tipped into a specialist paving machine that distributes it evenly across the road width as shown in the photo to the right. It is then compacted using steel rollers. The asphaltic concrete can be spread in a thin layer of over 25 to 30 millimeter thick to provide waterproofing and a smooth surface like a chip seal. It is much more expensive than chip seal, but it provides a smoother surface with the resulting reductions in noise and rolling resistance. This can justify its choice for urban areas where low speeds mean that not as much skid resistance is required and the road noise needs to be kept to a minimum. AC can also be laid in thicker layers in excess of 100 millimeters to provide some structural strength, as well as waterproofing and surfacing. A pavement with this type of surface is often called a structural asphalt or semi-rigid pavement. Having the AC wearing course carry some of the traffic load means that the base course can be thinner and the structural asphaltic concrete surface carries all of the shear loadings. However, this option is quite expensive, so it can only be justified where there are heavy traffic loadings. The bitumen used in asphaltic concrete is usually a cutback bitumen. It is commonly an 80-100 mix for most roads or a 60-70 mix for roads with heavier traffic loads. Note that chip seal normally uses a 180-200 bitumen. We looked at these penetration grades under the bitumen topic. Asphaltic concrete may be cut with kerosene, but at a lower rate than used for chip seal, usually about 5% or below. The harder bitumen and less cutter can be used for AC, as it does not have to be spread evenly across the surface, as is the case with a chip seal. The asphaltic concrete mix is more of a semi-soft solid when mixed and laid hot. The aggregate has much the same requirements as that for chip seal in that it needs to have a high crushing resistance, weathering and abrasion resistance, and be angular in shape. Asphaltic concrete aggregate grading varies across the different mixes.